Hi, great friends. Today let us look at the exponents. So we will look only on two laws of exponents, right? Now, the first law that we will look at is the one which says that if we multiply the same bases, we need to add exponents. Okay, the base in this case is 2. So we write 2 and then we need to add exponents there, right? So we'll say 2 plus 3. Now this will give us 2 to the power of 5 if we add the 2 and 3 there. We can stop here, all right? You will get full marks. But then if you like, you can continue to say that that will give you at 32 there, right? Now let us look at example number 2. Example number 2, it's more the same as example number 1, but the difference is that we have the coefficient which is 3 and 5 there, right? So we multiply 3 and 5, that will give us 15, and then we take the base which is a, okay, because we are multiplying the same bases there, and then we add the exponent, so that will be 4 plus 2. So we will have 15a to the power of what? Of 6 when we add the 2 and 4 there, right? Okay, moving on, we have example number 3. Example number 3, the bases are not the same here, so we need to make them the same. Okay, so we will have 2 to the power of 4 multiply by, we change this 4, that will be 2 to the power of 2 to get 4, right? But we also multiplying that with 3 because the power there is 3. All right, multiply by, how do we change 8? 8, guys, will be 2 to the power of what? 3. Okay, how did I get 8 to be 2 to the power of 3? It's 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So 2 multiplied by 2 give me 4. 4 multiplied by 2 give me what? 8. And when you look at the number of 2's you have there, that will be 2 to the power of 3. You have 3 of them. Right, so that's why you have to change 8, you write it in exponential form, that will be 2 to the power of 3. Right, now the exponent that you were having there is 2, so we will multiply 3 and 2. Now let me simplify the exponents first. So we will have 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by 2 to the power of 6 multiplied by 2 to the power of what? 6 there, right? Good. So now we take 2 and then we start adding the exponents. So that will be 4 plus 6 plus what? Plus 6 again. Alright, this will give us 2 to the power of 16. So we will have 2 to the power of 16. So we can leave our answer here. It's acceptable. Now let us look at law number 2, which says that if we divide the same bases, we must subtract the exponents. So in this case, we are dividing the same base, which is 2, all right? So we just take that 2, and then the exponents there, you will have 7 minus 2, all right? So this will give us 2 to the power of 5, all right? We can stop there, but if you like, you can continue, and that will give you what? 32, all right? So moving on number 5. We are having the same base here again. The base is what? It's a. So we take a and then we subtract the exponent. So we will have 6 minus 2. And this will give us a to the power of 4. And that's our answer there. All right, moving on to the next one. We are having here 15 over 5. So 15 over 5, that will give us what? 3. All right. On the other side, we are dividing the same base, which is x. So that will be 4 minus what? 3. We are subtracting the exponents. 4 minus this 3, right? Good. We have got y there. So we will say 3 minus 2. All right. This gives us 3 x to the power of 1 y to the power of 1, which is the same as 3xy. All right, so that's it, guys. Those are the two laws of exponents. The first one, to recap, if we multiply the same bases, we need to add exponents. Okay, so this is the reason why we are adding exponents. Okay, now on the other one, we do the same thing. If we multiply the same bases, we need to add the exponents. So if the bases are not the same, please change them, make them the same, so that we are able to deal with the exponent decisively. Thank you guys. Thank you for your time. Take care.